Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can let AI generate Surrealist, is that how you say it, photos on CapCut PC. So just going to select this picture of a pizza. It could be anything, but it has to be a picture. Go to AI Stylize and select style and select the surreal one under trending. I don't know why I have a hard time saying that word, but it's just going to wait for the process. You can obviously use your own photo, but just going to use this picture of a pizza. I'm also hungry. And it just basically kind of does this. This one's a little bit more funny, the donut one. It's very like random, but I actually kind of like it. I like this one. I don't know why the donuts are on a tree. Let's see what it does to the orange one. Oops. But that's pretty much how you can generate it in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel subscribe to this channel. And oh my god, I don't know why it does this. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!